In this video, I am going to explain K-mean through example. Following are the given data set and here K is equal to 2. First step is to select 2 points. Here we select starting 2 points 2, 3 and 5, 6. We can tabulate the given data in X and Y. X are 2, 5, 8, 1, 2, 6, 3, 8 and Y are 3, 6, 7, 4, 2, 7, 4, 6. After that we will find Euclidean distance, the formula of which is root of x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square. Here we calculated Euclidean distance by putting the value x minus 2 x minus 2 whole square plus y minus y naught is 3 whole square. Put the value of x here 2. 2 minus 2 whole square plus y 3 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 0. After that x equal to 5. 5 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is root 18. Likewise we can calculate all. Now we have to calculate Euclidean distance for C2. X minus 5 का whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root. X is 2. 2 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square, that is equal to 18. Here x 5 minus 5 whole square plus y is 6 minus 6 whole square, that is 0. Likewise we can calculate all the value of C2. After that we will take minimum between C1 and C2. We have to write here C1, minimum is C1 and C2 is C1. Root 18 and 0 minimum is C2. Root 50 to root 10 minimum is C2. Root 2 root 20 minimum is C1 and so on. After that we have to write C1 data set and C2 set. Here C1 equal to C1 2 3 8 7 2 2 and 3 4. Likewise C2 is 5 6 8 7 6 7 and 8 6. Now we have to write C1 data set and C2 data set. After that we will calculate the mean. C1 equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 divided by 4. Now to put the values of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. x1 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 4 and y1 3 plus 4 2 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 4. Now C1 equal to 2 and 3.25. This is updated value. Previous value of C1 is 2 3. Previous value 2 3. This is the updated value of C1. Likewise, we have to calculate C2. 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 4 and 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 divided by 4. That is 6.75 and 6.5. This is the updated value of C2. We will keep on repeating this procedure till we get the updated values. Now updated value C1 2, 3.25 and C2 6.75, 6.5. Same we have to find out the Euclidean distance here. Here x equal to 2 minus 2 whole square plus y equal to 3 minus 3.25 का whole square. And C2 x minus 6 x naught, that is 6.75 whole square plus y minus 6.5 whole square. Put the value of x and y. Here x equal to 2. 2 minus 6.75 whole square plus 3 minus 6.5 whole square, that is equal to 34.81. Likewise, we can calculate all C1 as well as C2. After that, we can calculate the minimum value. 0.60625 and 34.81. Minimum value is C1. 16.56, 3.31 minimum value is C2, and so on. After that, we will calculate C1 and C2. We have to write C1 data set and C2 data set. C1 23, 14, 22 and 34, and C2 data set is 56, 87, 67 and 86. After that, we will calculate the mean. Mean 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 4, and y equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 4. That is C1 equal to 2, 3.25. Likewise, we have to calculate the mean of C2. That is 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 4, and 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 divided by 4. That is 6.75, 6.5. As C1 and C2 values is now the same as earlier, so we can stop here. We can also plot this on a graph. You can see two clusters of C1 and C2 on this graph. For example, here C1, 2, 3. This is x-axis, y-axis. 2, 3. Likewise, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. This is the cluster of C1. Similarly, this is the cluster of C2. 5, 6, 5, 6. 8, 7, that is 8, 7. You can see two clusters of C1 and C2 on this graph. Thank you.